Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I have, what do I have? I always do this, I always forget. In today's video I have beans on toast, baked beans on toast. So continuing the British theme that I am bringing out, that I want to do, I have beans on toast. And this is a staple everywhere in England. It's you know, it's great for students, it's cheap. Sorry, the collar's annoying me. I'm wearing a jacket today, it's freezing. So it's just, honestly, I have my wooden utensils. How cute are these? It's just a staple, guys. I'm telling you now, it's a staple. So I really want to start getting into it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So what I've... And here it is, guys. I'll just show you the first bite. Oh my god. Oh yeah, guys, you can't go wrong. I'm telling you. I also have my Diet Coke. No, I don't. My Coke Zero. I can't get this open because I've just my nails. Story time to tell you guys. Well, not story time, but so you remember not done this in a while, guys, have we? So, remember I had my nails done. Absolutely hated it, didn't I? Absolutely hated them. Like, it was the worst nail job I've ever had. Honestly, they lasted 2 weeks, no, a week and a half. And, well, you'll be able to tell by the videos, you know, when I put them out. You know, the timestamps. And honestly, guys, I've never had such a horrendous, I can't use this, horrendous job. It was horrendous. Sorry, it was. Oh my god. Just so comforting, guys. Oops. So, I've missed you. So I must tell you guys, I woke up so I got my nails done. There was just the worst nails I've ever had. They were thin. The lady, you know, I wanted chrome, and she tried to do chrome 4 times before she kind of got it right, but it was still nowhere near like the picture. So I just thought I gave up. You know, the treatment was horrendous from the managers. I did a mukbang actually explain all about it. I don't know if it's going to go up before or after, but basically I went back because one nail broke, this one, and the lady that did the nails was sat there. She saw me getting my nail fixed and literally screamed at me, called me what did she call me? Crazy lady. And I just couldn't believe it. And then 2 days after, my other nail broke. So I've just had it. So I've gone today somewhere else and look at my nails. Look at these bad boys. I am so in love. The people there were the nicest people. Complete and utter contrast. I told them about the story and they were just gobsmacked, guys. They were gobsmacked. So, honestly, it was a story. And then, I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what I'm saying. So, yeah. I finally got the clear nails that I wanted. You know, I was talking about clear nails on my live. And I know they're simple, but they're so amazing. They look so hot and classy and elegant. And I've always wanted nails like this. What's wrong with my camera? I've always wanted nails like this. And I think it just elongates my nails. The shape is amazing. The cheese is like a sharp cheddar. And I'm telling you guys, I love them. And they're not bright. They're not... I know they're nothing like what I normally get. But she took about an hour. Quick, fast, efficient, amazing. They're nice and thick. By the way, guys, are we still liking the wide lens? So good. So yeah, it was a nightmare, but I'm happy, and I just think they look so cool. Like I googled. My camera keeps moving. I googled nails. Look at this, guys. Don't want it to fall. So what we have here, these are baked beans, and they're slightly different to what you guys have in America. Because I think the baked beans where you are very sweet. These aren't sweet, they're savoury. And they're just so amazing, guys. Let's go for a massive mouthful. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. You know, I'd actually forgotten how amazing beans on toast is. What is wrong with my... Sorry, I'm going to take that off. There's something wrong with that. With the neck. Mmm. Mm. Wow. British food is very comforting, I have, you know, realised. You know, like, toasting the whole baked beans. It's very much like, I am going to do a fish and chips mukbang. But guys, as much as I love you guys, I don't think I can eat a fish on camera. Oh. It makes me repulsed just thinking about it. Oh my god, it's so good. The bread is amazing. He's done such a good job. He's done that seeded bread. The bread is so good. You know what, guys? The most simplest things are the best things in life. Do you not agree? Oh, wow. You need to try, like, in England, we have Heinz beans. It's very, very big in England. I obviously have, what do I have? Aldi beans, because I love Aldi. Why is Coke Zero not sponsoring me, guys? It's not fair. To be honest, it's not really fair. So yeah, I hope you've liked my nails. I just love them. I just think they're so cool. I'm sorry if the camera keeps shaking, guys. I'm just getting you a tripod. It's so shit the one I've got now. I added some like herbs onto the baked beans. And don't worry, guys, all you fast food lovers, I am going to be doing a KFC mukbang. I'm going to be doing, I've actually got one planned coming up. Don't worry, guys. Everything is still on, you know, track. I'm just giving, it's been very highly requested that you guys see what I eat in, you know, England. Why not? Oh my god, look at those, guys. So messy. So what are you guys doing for Halloween? I want to know. Anything amazing? I'm going away. I'm going away, but not with Chris. I'm going away with my best friend. I can't wait. Haven't done anything like... Haven't gone out drinking for such a long time. I think I deserve it. And yeah, I'm just going to have a really good, you know, we're going away for a week, for the weekend, couple of nights. It's going to be amazing. I'm not going to be vlogging, guys, sorry. It's kind of private time. And I think I'm going to be a bit hungover anyway. I'm not dreading, I'm not, being hungover for me, I just don't know how I used to do it. Like, I used to, like, drink so heavily. It's moving. And then the night after, I'd just be, like, going to work or, like, college, and how did I do it? I think I was just young. Who's still liking the Wildlands, guys? Let me know in the comments. Getting full. This might be the first meal I actually finish. But yeah, the treatment I had today was so good in that nail salon. It was so sweet. Like, I met the manager and I was telling her like, what about my experience. She said, oh, I can't believe it, she said. She offered me a cup of coffee. Tea or coffee, which is so sweet. You know. Just lovely. Oh my God, I'm so full. I don't know why I'm eating this. Oh, I'm stuffed. Yum. But I'm going to finish it. I want to finish it because I want to make Britain proud. Oh, did you like my cheese dog video? Guys, I can't believe the amount of people. Oh my God, you use a cheese string. Oh my God. Oh my God, the world's going to end. Fuck. That. Yeah. Oh my God. Because cheese, I could have used a cheese block, but I didn't really think. I don't know, I just thought it was easy with the cheese string, and it worked. And the only reason why there was no cheese pull, there wasn't the first one because it was hot. They've been standing for a long time, and when I reheated, because my friend came over a bit later on in the day, I gave her one, and the cheese pull was like ginormous because it had been heated up, but then they weren't crispy, so, and Chris loved them as well. So it doesn't matter what things look like. It's you know, judging food is like judging a person. If you know, like people were saying, oh, what were they saying in one of the comments? It was just ludicrous, the amount of crap. Honestly, what was another one? They were like, oh, you need to use this next time. There was some that were, you know, that were very kind of, that were, you know, nice and helpful, but some were just like, just downright disrespectful and rude. Like, why are you watching me if you don't like me, guys? Like, not all of you, but if you don't like me, why do you even bother to, like, waste your time watching someone? I don't get it. Like, just unsubscribe or just don't subscribe. I am not bothered. Like, someone was like, oh, you're going to lose your fans, you know, if you carry on, blah, 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 blah. I am quite happy to lose 10 subscribers that aren't my fans and then gain 10 that are. It's come and go for me. Like, I don't really, if you're not subscribed, if you don't support me and you unsubscribe, I'm not going to lose sleep. I'm going to be waiting for even if it's one, the next person who wants to subscribe to me. I don't care about losing subscribers that aren't my subscribers. Like, I don't want haters on my channel subscribe to me. I want people that genuinely love me. So, no skin off my nose, honey. You do you, boo. That's what I have to say. So far, but you know what? Proud of myself today. I was so hungry today. That's it now. Food coma. That's it. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. It means so much to me. I am literally so full. I hate being full. Like, well, I like being full, but not like stuffed. I'm stuffed. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of my nails. I think they are so hot. They're really long as well this time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.